Caña de la Virgen,
Yes.
the ranch. Where are we going?
We are a nationally protected area, and our whole goal is how to manage a sustainable cattle business as well as to protect the indigenous flora and fauna of this region.
This is Bernie's. This is Bernie's. This one was
This motherfucker.
He's gonna teach me how to cook some fucking burgers. Look at this. Look at this.
And then
look at this style.
Yeah.
Is this a good style?
That's good.
Huh?
You know,
Good?
you want to treat it like if you were making a gordita, right? So you,
Gordita.
like, or a pizza even, you know?
Look at that. Look at that. Ah.
All right. Then we just
Birdie's Burgers, baby. Birdie's Burgers.
And here we are now. We're tasting the final product. And it's amazing.
My shit.
Yeah. The burrata.
The borracha.
Burrata.